it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm excited to have you here today for this spooktacular release of my latest kit for the Button Farm Club. Yes, it's fall, so we're looking toward Halloween, everybody's favorite holiday, and we're making this bewitching trick-or-treat tag box using Authentique Paper's Twilight collection. This is a wooden box. It's a 4.5 by 3.5. It's got sweet little brass legs, all decorated up, metal drawer pull, Halloween chipboards, and this is just loaded with charm. So we're just going to take the tags out of the box and look at them one by one. These are graphic 45 large black tags, and we've turned them into treat tags by adding a box pocket on the bottom and these wonderful witch legs. And then inside, if it's Halloween, you have to have treats. So each little tag has a package of candy corn tucked inside. How fun is that? In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to layer up the tags. You're going to learn how to make this dimensional box pocket and how to make rosettes without using a die. Each tag has a wonderful silvertone charm, a beautiful cluster of ribbons, and if this isn't cute enough, flip the tag over and look at this. We have a little photo folio on the back. This is 3.5 inches by 6 inches, so you can put a couple of Halloween photos in each of these tags and then just hold it shut with this adorable little clip. You're going to get everything you need to make these tags and the box in your kit, and along with a printed full color tutorial, lots of my tips and tricks for how to design, and just lessons that you can take to help you move your crafting to the next level. And this is adorable for party decor. You've got a little gift that you can give, or you can just fill this with candy every year. Eat the candy corn yourself while you're crafting, and then add new candy every year. You can easily slip in a gift card or even other small treats. It's just the cutest kit. I love how versatile it is, and I love that all the tags fit neat and tidy into this lovely little box. The box can be used as part of your permanent Halloween decor, making this an amazing value. I'll have a link below to the Button Farm Club where you can place your order for this fun kit, and then it will be sent to you in the mail. You'll get it made in plenty of time for your Halloween party. So there you go, the latest kit for Button Farm Club, Kathy by Design. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for stopping by, and I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.